Okay, so we are looking at the law of mediation.
We are.
All right, so if there's one theme or principle that underpinned the law of mediation, what would it be?
So mediation is a very flexible and adaptable process. That's one of the things that's so attractive about mediation, that it works across cultures and people can tailor mediation to suit their needs. And one of the big challenges in mediation law is how do you regulate something as flexible as the mediation process, right? That's really the art of regulation. So if there were a theme, I think it would be that balance between flexibility on one hand and certainty on the other. When do you need more flexibility in how you're regulating mediation, and where do you need more certainty and predictability in the law of mediation?